Hi guys, here I am today with my Look Fantastic box. I'm Bert, get down. My name's Fawn and this is my channel and I try to make it a happy place. I do unboxings and I do hauls and I do, well, all sorts of everything really. So if you like that kind of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. Do I look windblown, guys? I do, don't I? I was tidy this morning and then I had to go and do some things outside and I've come back in and I've wrapped up warm, but I do look a bit sort of, well, shell-shocked, I think. Anyway, what better time than to open a beauty box than when I need it the most? So let's have a look and see, shall we? As always, there is a magazine. It's one of the things I really like about this particular box because it makes it easy for me, but also it is surprising the things you find out. You think you know everything about a particular kind of product and you find that actually you don't know much at all, or certainly I do. And then it's all wrapped. And here we go. So, first thing out of the box is Magnetone London wipeout swipes. Now I've got a feeling that these are a bit like something I had in a box the other day. I've got a feeling that they're for taking your makeup off. Let's have a look. Yes, 2 microfiber cleansing pads that remove even the toughest makeup. They're quite cute, look at that. So there's a peachy zigzag one and a grey zigzag one. They're very fluffy, very, very fluffy. You use just warm water. They're super soft. They're ideal for sensitive skin as no cleanser is needed. Then simply throw them into the washing machine after use to reuse them thousands of times. Well, that's fine by me. And it says how to use: soak the pad in warm water, squeeze out any excess and wipe over face, eyes and lips. I do like the idea actually of using those on the eyes. I wear contact lenses, as a lot of you know, and I've got to be very careful what products I use to take eye makeup off because it can create like a film on the contact lens. So that's actually a really nice idea if I don't have to use any product to get the makeup off. So I'm pleased with that one. Next is a tube of strawberry macaron moisturiser. A thick hydrating moisturiser for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Treat, soothe and refresh dry skin. Cruelty free and paraben free. It's by a company called Bubble. Bath and Body Bubble. Hand and Body Butter. Well, I'm always happy to get a moisturiser. I don't know about you. Is it sealed or no? Because I don't know if I want to open it. I've got so many on the go. Yes, it is. It's sealed. I don't really want to open it. Oh gosh, I can already smell the strawberries, mind you. I don't really want to open it because I've got quite a few on the go. But strawberry, that will be nice in the summer, won't it? Spring, summer. Yeah, I can get a waft of it. I'm happy. Next, I've got a weeny lip gloss. Look how small that is. Can you see how little that is? It's by, is it by Ico? Hang on. Oh no, it's an eyeshadow. Now why did I say, oh, lid gloss? I read lip gloss. I was thinking, well, that's not going to go very far. Lid gloss. Sorry, guys. Oh my God, I'm so techie. Galactic lid gloss. Now, mine is this sort of brown coppery colour, but you could also get one called Stardust, which looked silver grey. This one is called Zodiac. A liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess free and quick to apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. Glitter finish. How to use: swipe colour across the lid using the applicator. Oh, I've got to open this one to have a look. It's so small, I'd be embarrassed to send that to anybody anyway. So let's just see if I can open it. This could be a challenge. Okay, I've got it open. Well, I can't see an applicator. Using the applicator. It's got a little foil thing. You know, foil cap on it. Using the applicator. Am I being a dope? well, I can't see a separate applicator. It's just, you know, it's a little tube with, oh, what is admittedly a very, very pretty colour. Now, if that dries back, that would be really good. It's very wet at the moment, so let's see. Because I've got very hooded eyes. So if I wear anything liquid on the lids, it's got to be something that will dry back, because otherwise it just all ends up here and I end up looking a bit daft. Well, a bit more daft than usual. Let's see. It's still tacky on my hand at the moment, although my finger is beginning to dry. So it is a nice colour, isn't it? And it goes well with my hair. But it is the diddiest thing I've ever seen. So yeah, I shall definitely, oh yes, it's definitely drying now on my hand. So that's what it looks like. Oh, I hope you can get a good view of that, because it is very pretty, very glittery. Next is an Elemis Beyond Veil. Yeah, Beyond Veil. It combines two of Elemis's hero products, the Hydra Veil Primer, which I do have, and Beyond Powder. So this face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day while providing a luminous, natural looking glow. I love Elemis products, so I am going to open it. I am going to open it and have a look. I mean, it is the diddiest, can you see? It's the diddiest little thing. Oh, it smells quite strong. Very, very perfumed, I would say that was. It says blend 1 small scoop all over the face until fully absorbed. Follow with your favourite foundation. It has vitamin C in it and fruit extract. So maybe it's not perfume, maybe it's fruit extracts I could smell. But I'll definitely give that a whirl. I like Elemis products. I think it's probably because I'm a sucker for their packaging. But I do like them. And that is now completely dry on my hand. Completely dry, so that actually might be a goer. A goer? It might work for me. Okay, next is a Balance Me product. It is the Glow Mask. Glow Mask. It's a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify and plump your complexion. Its blend of AHAs encourage the shedding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful and luminous glow beneath. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish prone skin. So what does it say? It says it's got lactic acid in it, malic acid, glycolic acid, tartaric acid, kaolin clay and linden, whatever linden is. Massage into cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove using a warm, damp cloth. Well, I'll give it a go. I like a peel. I like a chemical peel. Ooh. I've got the little foil thing still stuck on my finger. I like a chemical peel. I liked the one that we had. Oh, it was a glow one. That was called Glow something, and it came in a box. And I really did enjoy it. And then when I went to buy it, it was really expensive. And I thought, did I enjoy it that much? I'm not sure. So I'll give this one a go and see what I think. And then the last thing in the product was something where you could get an either or. So the one was SOS and the other one was an Elemis. Now I have the Elemis. I'll show you the picture because there's 6.1 and 6.2 they call it. So there's the picture. As you can see, you could have got either this product or this product here, but I got the Elemis, which is fine. I like Elemis. This one is a papaya enzyme peel. Again, we're back to peels and cleaning your skin. So, a naturally exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect and clarify your skin. Ideal for all complexions, this exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. The result, smooth, moisturised and brighter skin. It's got papaya, pineapple, algae, seaweed extract, milk protein, sunflower oil and vitamin E in it. Apply all over your cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. So it's a bit really like this one. They're both sort of exfoliating products. So that's odd to have in the same box, don't you think? But yeah, I'm happy. I think I've had this before, a long time ago. The alternative was a face cream that had northern peony in it, linseed and hyaluronic acid by SOS Madara. which I think I probably, well, I was going to say I would have preferred, but maybe I wouldn't have preferred. Let's be fair, I get so many products and I try them all. Yeah, I'm happy to have had that really. So that was it. Mixed bag this month. I'm not going to say that this was the best box I've had from them. So the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Scrub and the Balance Me Glow Mask, which seem to do the same thing. A strawberry macaron body cream. Yeah, could be fun. I mean, it'd be fun for a young girl, that, wouldn't it? The Wipeout eye wipes. I'm quite interested to try those because, as I say, the eye area, it is very delicate, and I also have to watch out for what I get in my eyes because of my contact lenses. The Illamasqua and the lid gloss. Before I say lip gloss again, the lid gloss in this very pretty bronzy colour. Let me see if there's a sneak peek for what's coming next month. Yes, what's coming up is a Christoph Robin mask, regenerating hair mask. It's enriched with prickly pear seed oil, which has antioxidant benefits to restructure your hair, making it stronger and improving shine. Nice, certainly give that a go. It's a good box. Look Fantastic is a good box. It's not an amazing box, I wouldn't say. So this month, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm looking forward to the other ones, really. I shouldn't say that, should I? And all the way through this, if you've been able to hear the drumming of the rain on the roof, it is a miserable day here. Really, really wet and cold. And that's why I look quite as terrible as I do. I actually spent the time this morning trying to make myself look tidy, and I really don't know why I bothered. 2 minutes out there with the horses and I started looking like the back end of a bus. So I'm going to go and relax now, do a little bit of editing and relax. I hope you're having a nice day wherever you are. We're all locked in anyway, and well, you don't really want to go anywhere when the weather's like this, do you? So I suppose today is not such a bad day for lockdown. Yeah. I keep telling myself that. Okay, bye guys.